What if I told you that you can make $100 just for helping a brand get traction on Amazon without selling a thing, or holding inventory, or doing customer service? And what if I told you that this wasn't some sketchy review for cash gig that, of course, gets flagged by the FTC? This is legit, ethical, and it actually works. Welcome to GBRLIFE Reviews. I'm Caitlin, and if you're interested in content like this, you have come to the best video that I have made so far, because I'm diving into Test Squared, a platform built for Amazon sellers who want verified feedback without breaking the rules, and for creators like us to earn real money, helping them do it. So let's discuss more about this right after my really short intro.
Capture tales in text, it's a written quest. Life's pages turn in our treasure chest. Ink spills truth, not a bit less. Our blood shines where the heart confess. Yeah, so that was fun. The motherhood maze, balancing acts in the life square ballet. Stay engaged.
So what is Test Squared? Test Squared is a compliance-first platform that helps Amazon sellers get verified purchases and optional reviews from real Amazon shoppers without violating Amazon or FTC guidelines. The key part here is that because the FTC is not playing games anymore, if you were to do fake reviews or undisclosed paid posts, there's a $50,000 fine for the people selling. And we don't want that. But Test Squared plays it smart. And here's how it works. The sellers apply to list a product. Test Squared matches that product with real pre-approved testers. So real people. Testers buy it on Amazon, meaning it counts as a verified purchase with their own money. And they're allowed to leave honest reviews, but they're never required to. No review boosting and no forced 5 stars. So there's no shady nonsense. It's completely FTC compliant. There's no fake reviews, and it's real results for sellers trying to rank. So where do you come in? Because this is about the affiliate side. Test Squared has an awesome affiliate program. And I signed up because it's not one of those earn $1.27 per click deals. You get $100 for every product SKU that signs up through your link, and they complete a transaction. Plus, there's a 60-day cookie window. So if someone doesn't sign up right away, you still get credit later. Whether you're a blogger, YouTuber, e-commerce coach, content creator, or someone with friends who sell on Amazon, this is one of the easiest affiliate wins I've seen in a long time. Now, let's talk about the platform itself. From a seller's point of view, Test Squared helped solve one of the hardest parts of launching on Amazon. Getting your first 20 to 50 units to move. That's where the algorithm starts to pay attention. And without traction, even great products can flop. Test Squared helps better conversion rates from verified purchases and organic ranking boosts without the black hat tactics. The platform is clean. You see it right in front of you. This is the main page. It's easy to use and it's straight to the point. There's no bloat in your dashboard or confusing hoops, and there's no long setup process. What do I mean by that? This is the main page. The first thing you can do right here is get started if you are a seller or a tester. But for those of us who are looking to do the affiliate portion, you would go through the affiliate link, which I have below in the description box. And your link would bring you to this right here. This right here would allow someone to sign up for Test Squared and allow you, the person signing up, to receive commission on all payments for paying customers that you refer. So where does this bring you to? After you've signed up, it will bring you to this dashboard. It automatically gives you a link, lets you know how to help refer people with adding just a small little thing to the end of a link, not a big deal, some coupon codes, 10% off all payments. And then through here, you get commissions, your payouts, and then you would be able to see your referrals. Now, I'm newly set up through here, but how do I know all this? How do I know it works? I spoke to the owner. So for real, this works. Those who sign up with the affiliate and continue to bring in those sellers, you get paid. It's as simple as that. If you are having someone sign up as a seller, you can help them with their startup, velocity, or growth pricing costs, but this is only a one-time fee. So this page right here, if you are a seller, this page is for you. Now, because this video is mostly about affiliates, I'll give you a second to look at it, but just go to Test Squared. You'll see it for yourself. And go through the link below. For those of you who are affiliates, one thing you do need to know and see is that it's very simple to go ahead and add your link to something like your link in bio. This right here, I use Beacons AI just to do my link in bio. Some people use Linktree or Comey. There's just so many out there, right? It doesn't matter which you're using though. This right here is just me adding the link and adding in a little bit of information to say, hey, this is where you can go and get the very link I keep talking about. And this link right here brings you to this page. I did create this wonderful PDF with the help of the owner, providing me exactly how to get started. But this will allow you all to see exactly how it works, and I will be putting a link in the description as well so that you can access this PDF at any time as you feel like it. That's just a little extra if you want a little more information. But the reason I wanted you to also see this here is because, again, I want to show you that this is all FTC compliant. That's what makes this the biggest deal. You're helping people with Amazon in the most legal way possible because every tester is vetted and verified. Reviews are never guaranteed and they're not tied to compensation. Everything stays with Amazon's terms of service and the FTC law that protects everyone, the sellers, the affiliates, and you, the content creator. So now it's that time. Let's discuss GBRLIFE rating for Test Squared. It's straightforward. It's powerful for sellers and those who are trying to bring those sellers in. And so because of that, I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5. And I don't do that just because I like the tool or the fact that you can make decent money off of the affiliate marketing part. I want to make it very clear. It's rare when you find something like this out there that is helping others to achieve success through Amazon, while at the same time helping those achieve success through a side business with affiliate marketing, and at the same time still benefiting themselves. I feel that Test Squared has found that true balance that everyone actually wins here. And this is a company I see going very far. Personally, I'm here on the ground up. I hope you will be too. For affiliates, it's going to be up to you how much you make here though. It's up to you to get that link out there and to tell other people about Test Squared. But remember, there's no pyramid scheme here. So it's pretty easy, but it also requires you to put in the effort. It's literally just communication like this. And if you want to be a part of a platform that's actually helping people like this while earning real income doing it, honestly, this is worth a look. And as I said, my affiliate link is below. Yes, it's mine because as you saw, I have already put it out there and it's because I stand by it. So if you're an Amazon seller or you know one, send this video their way. It's a great opportunity to really get their product out there. Help them. And everything that you see here, of course, is available on GBRLIFE.com in regards to the PDF, but everything is also on Test Squared as well. That's it for this week. Next week, I have another amazing tool to review. I promise I'm always bringing the most awesome, newest, funnest, great content, great programs, great systems, great anything that I can find straight to you because I'm testing it so that you can enjoy it. And don't forget, with all of my content on GBRLIFE.com and my fabulous Mama Koala clothing line, you don't have to be without GBR Life in your life. Oh, and like if this helped, and again, share it with a seller in your life. And don't forget to hit subscribe and like and all of those buttons. Don't forget to check out my review from last week, Buzzsprout, especially if you are somebody who is a podcaster. See you all next week.